So, I am making boba for my presentation. Hello. So, we need 600 grams for the first thing. This is 500. So, yeah. It's actually easy to open. Now we take off the lid. Pour it in. Now I'm going to add this much. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but why is it there? There's a line here. We have to put that much to make it 600. That full thing was 500. Full thing was 500. More. Good. Now, now grab the lid and put it on. Okay, now let's move the camera. Okay, now I think we boil it. Ooh, I'm on a moving chair. Now we will add the water to the boiling part. Now I will add 100 grams of boba to the boiling water and stir it for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cook for another 30 minutes. Okay. Now we pour the boba. Now we pour the boba. Happy pearls. Make sure it's 100 grams. So, this all the way? Yes, apparently it is. Oh my god, I'm not good with cooking. Wasn't that bad. Okay, it's your original Go Noodle song. We're making a boba stew. Whip, 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 whip. We're making a boba stew. Shooby-dooby-doo with boba pearl and boiling water. We want boba. What are you gonna add to our boba stew?
12 seconds later.
Now that we cooked the boba pearls for 30 minutes, I will turn off the heat and let it sit for 20 minutes. Let's turn it off and let it sit for 20 minutes. Now we have to rinse the bobas with cold water. Then I will add all the maple syrup to make my boba pearls sweet and yummy. Then I will add it to my favorite drink and enjoy it. Okay, but let's rinse the tapioca boba with cold water. Okay, first we need to make sure it's cold. Cold. My bobas. Look how pretty. Okay, now we put it in this bowl. I kind of want to try one now, and I kind of don't. Oh, they smell really good. Okay, now we add the maple syrup. Oh, okay, now we add the maple syrup into this. Now we add it to the bobas pearls. Now we grab a spoon and mix. Mixing the mixies. I want to try this so bad. Okay, now you add it to your drink. This is so good. Now you add it to your drink with a spoon. Make sure it's with a spoon, or else you just pour it everywhere around your counter. Let's add. Can't believe I made this. That was very creepy. I'm so sorry. Yes, very cute. Okay. Now I need another spoon to obviously put the boba. Doesn't belong here. It belongs here. So try to just down there. Now you can add any toppings to it. Any, can be chocolate, mangoes, anything, and enjoy it. I will maybe add some. Yes, I will add chocolate syrup. And I'm not gonna add more because I feel like it would, because this is my first time and I don't want to mess things up. Okay, and that is my boba experience. Now after this video, I will take a video of me drinking it and rating it out of 10. That was so good. Okay, thank you for watching my presentation video thing. And yeah, I hope I make more presentations like this. I love my boba. Bye. Thank you for watching.